We had it, we lit it. Yeah man, I'm going on to work again, man. Just leave one and I'm going on another one right now. It's about to rain, but guess what happened, man? It's always good to get the money when it's raining. We call that blessings. Yeah man, so right now people giving thanks, you know, and see how we can make the best of the day and get this working. Alright, since I have an early day upon the other job, so what happened is we're gonna run some Amazon right now and yeah, see what the city have to offer, you know what I mean? We're having a positive vibe and yeah, inspire some people to do some work and yeah, that is it. It's a lot been taking place since recent and things like that. A lot of work, you know. Lots and lots of work, but it's very necessary to put in the work because the result, the payoff, you know what I mean, is amazing and you get to pay your bill. You see me? So, with that said, please and thanks, slap up the like button and share and also subscribe if you're new. That's very necessary because I'm trying to grow the channel and doing things already. As you can see, but there you know, they're on my hustle and right now we have preached some positive and some hustling and try to make some real honest money. You understand? So we can take care of ourselves and the family. Anything else? Civilize, my friend. So big up yourself anyway you're there watch this. Just know say this year we say a bigger and better things we are praying in our life, you know what I mean? Yeah man. We lower the low thing, you know, we're not on the low energy frequency something, so big up to the people them when we say yo, a greatness we are praying, see me? Yeah man, I like that. I don't really have too much to say on that video, yeah. I know I'm bored and but I have to post right now still. I post yesterday or the day before. You know the thing with YouTube, you know, time go fast and them you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't overdo the thing neither. And as well as me have to stay consistent, but what I try to say is I post when it makes sense, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna just get up and just create a video just chat. No more when I do make sense and it's real, authentic. Just like now I go up and work a real thing, so yeah, that's it man. But right now people, look we get on the road man and get this paper bro. Money out you have to make, you see it? Money out you have to make regardless. Yo, I know say I know the easiest time, you know. Right? Me know that for a fact. See me things was way easier than this before, but a life and you know what I mean, time change. Every day things change, people change, you know what I mean? Stuff happens, so what me I gonna do? Can't cry about it, I gotta just make the best of my situation. So until then man, do the same, you see me? What them do? How I going over this? I was a renovation. Chicken spot. No say a school at half time, you know, so yo, I pay fucking traffic, bro. This is the only part I know still. I just try to say, yo, me just need to go worry about that. Me just go try to put in some work, you know. If I pre that, bro, I probably never want to go out there because you what now. The rush hour traffic right now, not pretty. And the whole school bus them, bro, we have block up the place, you know, drop off the youth them which them need to drop them off still, so what we are going to do? But so far so good, yeah man. I get a cup of soup, you know, down at a restaurant this and go challenge the work, you know, that's it. Basically that, I'm work pulling them down a long line in a restaurant and I'll start. You know? Because time is knocking quickly, you see it. So some chop more while you know I think already approaching. You have none of people, big up on yourself. See? I eat that man. Yeah, so get on the money here, sir. I eat that.